How to fix Shopify sold out product. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Shopify and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the products option from the left side toolbar and further select the inventory option. Check the available quantity field and increase the stock quantity if it's 0 or negative and tap on save. And if the product has multiple variants, example, sizes or colors, ensure each variant has sufficient inventory. Click on each variant and adjust the stock quantity individually. Now, under the product availability section, ensure the product is marked as active and available on the appropriate sales channel, example, online store. Now, confirm the product's visibility settings and also go to the inventory section again and ensure the fulfillment service is correctly configured. For self-managed inventory, confirm the stock is not marked as reserved for other orders, and finally confirm the product is available on your online store, POS, or connected channels. So this is how you can fix Shopify sold out product. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.